Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video recap, I think I'm going to spend most of the focus here on the S&P futures. There's always so many things you can focus on in the markets, but with great liquidity and some pretty sizable ranges, the S&P has been a good spot to be. And I just want to draw your attention to here in this continuous contract from the 4180 swing high down into the low that was made at 37.88, and the idea that the 618 retracement of that move is always a pivotal spot. So a few things to consider around this, the first part of which has me thinking that at a minimum it will be tested. So the futures markets are currently closed. They will reopen at 5 Central for trade on through the overnight session. And as long as we can hold 4,000, now again, the risk control part of that is what's a little touchy, which is to say I don't know exactly how far down below 4,000 we may decline, but as long as you can hold that vicinity, I think you're going to head up into 40.30. That is that retracement of that primary decline. And if you look at the 78-minute squeeze, this is a pretty textbook signal. So if you think about it, CPI hit the wire today, and so much of that was really just chop and mostly digesting the move. But when you think momentum here was bullish, momentum through here was bullish, well then if we just spent today's trade digesting the move, then why, we should probably go on to be bullish, at least to test that 618 retracement. And that is when you're set with the next round of pivotal decisions. So if you hit the 618 and then you roll over from there, there are bearish implications. But more what I'm going to be on the lookout for is that if you clear 40.30, the odds increase of testing the previous swing high and then the external retracements of that move. So 41.80, 42.86 are the levels that I'm going to have you keep in mind, especially if that overnight plan comes to fruition as I'm looking for it to. And I hope that adds something into your trading for tonight and into tomorrow. So you guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in one of the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.